Hello friends, in today's video lecture we are going to continue the discussion that we started in the previous lecture, that is communication skills part 1. In the previous lecture we discussed about the communication skill part 1, that is the first topic, and the name of the topic was making request and responding to the request. This is the second part where the topic is changed. Now the topic is giving personal information. So there is no much change into the topics because the pattern of any dialogue is same. Whenever we say communication or dialogue, we find that in dialogue generally two or more people just take part. In personal information, we find that one person is there who gives his or her personal information in front of others, maybe in front of teacher, maybe in front of the class, maybe in front of his friends or any person. So giving personal information is very much like the first topic that we discussed into previous lecture, that is uh, request and giving response to the request. uh, Here the slide shows that there is one guy who is standing in front of the class, and he is sort of giving his personal information. So this is very much like the previous dialogue, only the topic is changed. Here you have to give the personal information about yourself. So usually sample question will be like this. Before that I would like to tell you that this is the question based on communication skill which carries 10 marks. So friends, there will be 5 marks based on the first topic, that is रिक्वेस्ट अँड मेकिंग रिक्वेस्ट. देर इज इंटरनल चॉईस, म्हणजे पहिल्या टॉपिकवर सुद्धा 2 प्रश्न राहतील, त्याच्यातला कोणताही सोपा वाटेल तो प्रश्न आपल्याला सोडवायचा आहे. इन द सेम वे हिअर ऑल्सो गिविंग पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन देर विल बी 2 क्वेश्चन्स अँड देर इज इंटरनल चॉईस. इंटरनल चॉईस याचा अर्थ हा किंवा दुसरा, पहिला किंवा दुसरा, या अर्थाने 5 मार्क्स याच्यावर राहणार आहे आणि टोटल 5 + 5 असे 10 मार्क्स आपल्याला कम्युनिकेशन स्किल या महत्त्वाच्या टॉपिकवर राहणार आहेत. आपल्याला परीक्षा दृष्टीने अतिशय महत्त्वाचा, कारण याला खूप कमी वेळ लागतो आणि खूप कमी शब्दामध्ये आपल्याला याचं उत्तर लिहावं लागतं. सॅम्पल क्वेश्चन अशा प्रकारचं राहील. आपण 2 सॅम्पल क्वेश्चन या ठिकाणी बघणार आहोत आणि हे जे 2 प्रश्न आहेत याचं कारण असं आहे की एक प्रश्न जो राहणार आहे तो फॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन ज्याला म्हणतो आपण, औपचारिक अशा प्रकारची सिच्युएशन असेल तर, आणि दुसरा जो राहणार आहे तो इनफॉर्मल म्हणजे अनौपचारिक अशा प्रकारची जी काही सिच्युएशन असेल तर तेव्हा कसं बोलायचं याबद्दल आपण या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये डिस्कस करणार आहोत. लेट अस रीड द क्वेश्चन दॅट विल बी आस्क्ड इन टू एक्झामिनेशन. सॅम्पल क्वेश्चन, दिस इज वन. This is the first day of the college. You should read the question properly. This is the first day of the college. Each student is asked by the teacher to introduce himself or herself to the class teacher. आपण पहिल्यांदाच कॉलेजमध्ये गेलेलो आहोत, क्लास भरलेला आहे, एकमेकांशी आपली ओळख नाही आहे, असे आपण एक सिच्युएशन गृहीत धरूया आणि टीचर जे आहेत त्यांनी प्रत्येकाला असं विचारणं सुरू केलं की तुम्ही स्वतःचं इंट्रोडक्शन द्या. तर आपण असं गृहीत धरूया की आपला नंबर आलेला आहे आणि आपल्याला सगळ्यासमोर इंट्रोडक्शन द्यायचं आहे. मगाशी जे चित्र पाहिलं आपण त्या पद्धतीने की हा विद्यार्थी इथे उभा आहे आणि स्वतःबद्दल सगळं सांगत आहे, अशा पद्धतीची सिच्युएशन आपण एक गृहीत धरूया आणि हा प्रश्न सोडवू. आता हा जो प्रश्न आहे हा इन्फॉर्मल नाही आहे, फॉर्मल आहे. याचं कारण असं आहे की हा जो विद्यार्थी आहे किंवा जी विद्यार्थिनी आहे हे टीचरसमोर आणि अर्थातच बाकी सगळे विद्यार्थी बसले आहेत त्यांच्यासमोर स्वतःला इंट्रोड्यूस करत आहे, अँड दॅट इज वाय दिस इज अ फॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन. सो यू शुड कीप इन माइंड हाऊ टू डिफरन्शिएट बिटवीन फॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन अँड informal introduction. So this is the example of formal introduction. Let us look into this examination. This is the answer right from your textbook. See, introduction to the class teacher. इथे एकच डायलॉग आपल्याला दिसतो आहे. खरं तर मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण पहिला बोलतो, नंतर दुसरा त्याला उत्तर देतो किंवा रिस्पॉन्स देतो, नंतर परत पहिला, नंतर दुसरा. दिस वे वी हॅव डिस्कस इन टू द प्रिवियस लेक्चर, बट हियर इट इज अ लॉंग डायलॉग बाय द ओनली पर्सन because he giving introduction, personal information to the entire class or to the teacher, you can say. Now see, this is the long dialogue by the only person who is standing in front of the class and the teacher. See, good morning to all of you. Full stop. My name is Sachin Pandey. I don't think that there is any requirement of again giving details about all these things. This is very common thing. You will find this. First of all, greeting to all class and the teacher. So good morning to all of you. My name is, this is the name Sachin Pandey. I am 20 years old. In the second sentence or say third sentence he is telling his age. I come from a small village Nagari in Chandrapur district. In the first sentence, he is talking about his native place from where he has come to this college. In my village, most of the people are farmers and laborers. This is very fine because he is staying in the village so far and he is talking about his village. He says that in my village, most of the people are farmers and laborers. Generally असं चित्र आपल्याला दिसतं खेड्यातले लोक मॅक्झिमम खेड्यातले लोक हे शेतकरी आणि शेतमजूर असतात. वेगवेगळ्या कामांवर जाणारे असतात. नोकरी करणारा वर्ग फार कमी असतो. मेजॉरिटीमध्ये शेतकरी आणि कामकरी लोक असतात. सो हिज इन द फिफ्थ सेंटेन्स इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द विलेज बॅकग्राउंड दॅट दे आर फार्मर्स अँड लेबरर्स. देन माय फादर इज टू फार्मर. नाव हिज फादर इज नॉट एक्सेप्शन. माझे वडील सुद्धा एक शेतकरीच आहेत असं तो सांगतोय. माय मदर इज हाऊसवाईफ. देन अबाउट मदर आफ्टर फादर अबाउट मदर शी इज हाऊसवाईफ. I have two brothers and one sister. Now, family background after mother and father, he is talking about brothers and sisters. He says, I have two brothers and one sister. I am the youngest in my family. So, obviously, brothers and sisters are elder. So, he is the youngest in the family. Again, he is talking more about his family background. My brothers are married. त्या दोन्ही भावांची लग्न झाली असं तो सांगताय. आय पास्ड माय 10th स्टँडर्ड फ्रॉम जनता हायस्कूल नागरी. He says that he qualified in 10th standard from Janta College and then he did his HSC, that is 12th standard, from Ambedkar Junior College Hinganghat in first class. So he is talking about his 10th examination, then 12th examination, how he passed and where he passed, and now he has come to this college after my graduation. Now he is in the graduation. So after 3 years, he says, what are my plannings? So here he's talking about his plannings. He says, after my graduation, I would like to become IAS officer. So this is the dream that he is narrating in front of all the students and the class. He says, after the graduation, any person, you know very well that any person, any student who graduates, he can appear for any sort of competitive examination like IAS and MPSC, UPSC, anyway. So any type of examination he can appear, and he says that Sachin is willing to be IAS officer, and that is why that is his dream. And he's saying here that after my graduation, I would like to become an IAS officer. He says further about himself that I speak 3 languages and love cricket and music. Again, this is very important. How many languages he can speak? So he knows 3 languages, he says, and he also loves cricket and music. So that is his liking. Also, he tells us in front of the class. I thank Professor Vihirkar. Now this is the teacher who asked Sachin Pandey to introduce himself, and that is why at the last line he says he is thankful to Professor Vihirkar for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So this is very good thing for Sachin, that he could stand in front of the class and the teacher, and he could give his personal information to the entire class. Now every student, every boy and girl will come to know about Sachin Pandey, and very soon he will be mixed up with all these teachers. So this is all about the first question, that is introducing in front of school, which is the example of formal situation. Now same sort of question, only the situation is different. Now informal situation is there, so informal introduction. So what happens here, right from the first letter or first expression here, the first word shows that this is an informal introduction. So this is self introduction, but informal situation. See, hi Samiksha. So here Sachin is talking to Samiksha, and that is why this is informal, because Samiksha is his friend or say classmate. So hi Samiksha, I am Mr. Sachin. I am Hina's friend. He talks something more about himself, that he is Hina's friend. So it shows that Hina and Samiksha, they are friends, and as Samiksha does not know Sachin, so he is giving her his identity that he is Hina's friend. I am 20 years old. Full stop. Then I come from a small village Wagholi in Wardha district. So his native place, as we discussed into the previous dialogue. In my village, most of the people are farmers and laborers. My father is a farmer, my mother is housewife. So this is again repetition. She is wonderful cook. Now he is telling Samiksha about his mother, something additional information about the mother. She is a good cook. And I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I'm youngest in the family. My brothers are married. Then I passed my 10th standard from Janta High School Nagri and HSC from Ambedkar Junior College in Gankat in first class. After my graduation, I would like to become IAS officer. I love painting and music. I can paint a picture for you. So this is the liking of Sachin, and he gives a sort of offer to Samiksha that he can paint a picture for you. So there is, if you go through both the dialogues minutely, you will find that there are some things which are different. See, the starting of the first dialogue is good morning, which is a sort of greet to the teacher and the students. Here, hi Samiksha, which is the example of informal introduction. So there are some minor changes into this both the dialogues according to the situation, whether it is formal or informal. So friends, again this is the very easy topic which carries 5 marks. This question carries 5 marks. I hope you have understood this topic. So thank you so much friends for watching this video. This is a very small video, but this is very useful because it gives you it can give you 5 marks. So I hope that you have understood it. So thank you so much again for watching this video.